Imagine you're deep in the wilderness, and suddenly, this happens. A massive grizzly bear emerges from the trees. Its eyes lock onto you, sharp claws digging into the earth. Your heart pounds, but your survival instincts kick in. Rule 1. Don't run. Slowly, you start backing away, never breaking eye contact. The bear lets out a deafening roar and charges, but it's a bluff. As it gets close, you drop to the ground, curl into a ball, and play dead. Time stretches on. Then, silence. The bear loses interest and wanders off. You survived. Like and follow for more survival tips.